All right, let's move on to IELTS speaking part 2. Describe a piece of good advice that you gave to someone.
Good advice gives a very good impact on anybody's life. My daughter who wants to go abroad, uh, someone told her that IELTS is very necessary for going abroad. So she watched YouTube videos and many channels and prepared at home. But when she gave papers for IELTS, she scored very low because she prepared all the activities and all the preparation at home. Then I advise her to go to some institute which is nearby my home, and then they took classes, and after that she takes the papers, and she got her required bands.
Okay, you spoke for 1 minute hardly, so try to elaborate further. And in the end, you need to conclude your answer. Explain how she followed your advice and all that, right? And like you are mixing tenses, try to focus tenses because your topic was piece of good advice you gave. So the whole thing should be in past tense, but you are using present and past together. And try to use a wide range of words. For example, advice, then advise, suggest, recommended. These type of words will further improve your pen score, right? Thank you so much.